And welcome back to the Spider's Web. Now we are getting a little bit witchy in this unboxing. It's all about Hocus Pocus The Game. It is brought to us by Disney. It is for ages 8 and up. It is for 2 to 6 players. And it's in, the box is in a form of a book. There's Binks. In it we have a cauldron board, 50 ingredients cards, a witch board, 13 spell cards, a sun token, a stun token, 4 trick tokens, Binks mover, and the real book. It also says the black flame candle has been lit. Now the Sanderson's witches you must outwit are with a wretched evil potion, a foul spell they'll set in motion, stun the witches and ruin the brew before the sun can rise anew. Says work together to protect Salem's children and stop the Sanderson sisters from completing the wicked potion before the sun rises. It is brought to us as well by Ravensburger, and the game is designed by Prospera Hall. So shall we open it up? So here we have the instruction book. Here is the card depicting Sarah, Winifred and Mary, and where the moon is to where the sun comes up. Here is the cauldron board. And here depicted is a dead man's toe, the poison, lizard's tongue, thino tongue, and something else that we'll find out what we have in the cards we have here that make up the potion. So there are different colours. There are blue, and in the blue you have that some of the cards have Binks, and when Binks is shown, you actually get a little Binks here. So within the blue there's representation of the thino tongue, the dead man's toe, the newt saliva, the oil of boil, and a dash of pox. And each colours, so we have a green set, an orange set, a yellow gold set, a purple set. They each have 2 of the ingredients in there. Now from watching somebody else play it, when each of you are playing, you can either when it's your turn, put a card of the same colour in the same colour, or an item of the same item, depending on what, it doesn't matter the colour though, if you know what I mean. So it could be a yellow dead man's toe for there, or it can be a purple dino tongue, for a little example for that. So like I said, we have Binks here, and these, just bear with me, I've just done my nails, so getting back used to having long nails again. So here we have the sun. Now I feel like that goes on, placed on this board here. When we get to stun one of the witches, we use this to depict which witch is stunned. And we also have Billy Butcherson, Burning Rain of Death, that was so funny, that in the film, Daylight Saving, and Circle of Salt. Oh yes, I remembered all them from the film. And we can use these within the game as well. Obviously, it tells you exactly what to do within the game book. I'm just like pointing out little things that I've picked up. And these are sort of spells or things that the Sanderson sisters can do. So like for this one, it can be take flight, so remove the sun token from play and cast another spell. Excuse me, so remove that from play and cast another spell. Run amok is remove Binks from play, so that is remove Binks from play. Each player discards one ingredient and then draws one ingredient. It tells you exactly what to do here on these cards. So, and it tells you which one is going to be, oh hang on, yeah, it tells you which one, which Sanderson sister, which Sanderson witch is going to cast a spell. So that I Smell Children is done by Mary. Run amok is Sarah. Green Lightning is Winifred. And really, oh, just that one. Winifred hasn't really got many. Oh, the Dance Until You Die. You know, the famous I put spelling you scene when they're at the is it the town, the college, is it the college or the town hall, where they're on the stage and everyone's in fancy dress, obviously, for Halloween, or for Samhain. Well, it's Halloween for this occasion, isn't it? So, there are the cards there as well, for them. So basically that is all the unboxing of this little game called Hocus Pocus The Game. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give a like, a thumbs up, even if you're new, please subscribe to the channel. It really does help us, and we really do enjoy making videos for this channel. So if you would like to join us on our journey on carrying on with the channel, then please subscribe, like, ring the bell, and comment below. Put a comment below. We will answer as soon as possible your comments that we have. So thank you for joining me today on this unboxing. Take care. Bye for now, and God bless. That is my own version of it. And as always, from me, smile, imagine, believe.